Hi guys. Today in this video I'm going to talk about SNAP colleges cutoffs, basically right from Symbiosis, which is SIBM Pune, till we're going to talk about the SIBM Hyderabad. So if you look at the cutoff, which is based on 2017 analysis, by the way. Now 2017 paper was on a little bit difficult side, so cutoff went down drastically. So 99.5 plus percentile will give you around about 67 plus marks. So anybody who scored 67 plus will get that kind of percentile, so 99.50. So actually if you look at the comparison, 67 plus, I would say around about 69 kind of a score will give you that much. Whereas in 2016, if you talk about wherein the paper level was pretty much manageable, the same numbers, the same 99.50 was around about 73 marks, 73 to 74 plus marks, right? So that's the variation that you can see. So whenever paper is like a little bit tough, the cutoff tend to go down. So as far as Symbiosis is concerned, so the top three colleges, which is SIBM Pune, then you have SCMHRD, and then comes your SIIB, right? So these three colleges, basically they have the highest cutoff. As far as Symbiosis is concerned, SIBM Pune predominantly, a good cutoff will be around about 97.60 till 99.99. Now again, it depends how you score, or rather how you perform as far as your interview is concerned. Nothing can guarantee you. Last year I have seen students even after scoring 99.10 in the written exam, they couldn't get into SIBM Pune, right? So that's all about SIBM Pune. Now when you go down, right, as far as SMHRD is concerned, the cutoff will range in between 95.50 till 97 plus a bit, but it's not on a very high level, 97.30 or 40. So if you take a range and an average, 96 percentile is a good percentile for you to kind of a fetch a call from SMHRD, which will require round about close by 55 plus marks. So you can do the calculation. So 55 marks will fetch you that much percentile. Now the good thing about Symbiosis College is that below 90 percentile, you will get maximum colleges call, right? As far as SIIB is concerned, SIIB ranges round about 93 to 95. So that's the range of SIIB. So they give you call if you get 93 to 95 percentile, which is nothing but round about your score of again the same stuff, right? 55 nearby. So that kind of a score will give you round about 93, 94. As far as 96 percentile is concerned, is going to be on a little bit higher level, which is again 56 close by, right? So if you are in that category, after 52, you will be expecting call from SIIB. As far as 90 percentile is concerned, here you'll get call from SIBM Bangalore. So SIBM Bangalore gives call on 89.70 till 90 plus. It's a good percentile to get a call from SIBM Bangalore, which is 50 to 52 marks. So this is the range. If you are close by, again I'm saying that plus minus 1 or 2 marks here and there depending on the level of difficulty. Again, these are not the exact numbers, I'm just giving you a rough figure, close by numbers as far as the marks are concerned. So yeah, so around about 90 percentile, 50 to 52 score will fetch you a call from SIBM Bangalore. Now as and when you go down the line, as far as Symbiosis is concerned, you start getting a little bit more calls. So if you talk about below 85, which is below 45 marks, or close by 44 marks, right, or 43 to 44, around about 87.5 is a good number to get a call from SIOM Nashik, which is the Operations Management College. So around about 87 plus percentile will fetch you that much kind of a call from SIOM, so which is around about like 42 and all that stuff. So if you look at, then we go down a little bit, what do you have? So there is a bracket now, 70 to 85. Now what else you have? On 82 percentile, you can expect a call from SICSR, which is computer research and all that. But again, I kind of don't recommend that, because it's a typical college. If you are a BC and all that kind of a background, you can go for it. As far as SITM is concerned, again, it's something that you can kind of apply for. So this is in between. So if you have round about 83 percentile, you can expect a call from SITM, which is a telecom management college. So I think it's a pretty good college to go for. So a score of round about 40 can fetch you an SITM call. Then as in when you go down, SIMS can fetch you call round about 75 percentile. So if you talk about 75 percentile, again a bracket of 41, 42 will give you that kind of percentile. SCIT, something to do with the information technology, SCIT call you will get on 75 percentile. So 75 percentile, not a big difference as far as SITM and SCIT is concerned. So SCIT call can come on 75 percentile, again manageable, requires a pretty low score. SIHS is on 60. Last year it went a little bit up. So as far as SIHS is concerned, on 60 percentile you can get a call from SIHS, which is nothing but 30 to 35% marks, which is like out of 150, 30. If you talk about, like, it's round about, I think it's, if I look at from a percentage perspective, it's not a big deal. It's around about 20 to 25% paper. So that's how it is, right? 30 to 35 marks can fetch you around about 60 percentile. As and when we move ahead, there is a college called as SSBF, which is Symbiosis School of Banking and Finance. Mere 65 percentile. Mere 65 percentile can fetch you call from SSBF. Now, as far as 65 percentile is concerned, a score of say around about 37 to 39 can get you that kind of a percentile, to be on a safer side. And as far as SIBM Hyderabad is concerned, the range is 55 to 60 percentile. So if you get round about 30, rather if you get round about 32 plus, you can get a call from SIBM Hyderabad. So as far as SNAP is concerned, your cutoffs are concerned and the marks are concerned, even if you take care of these things, that if you look at, if the paper goes on a difficult level, which is 2017, this score literally looks very low as far as your cutoffs are concerned. But yeah, again, it's not only cutoff, you have 50% given to your SNAPCA score. Once you get a call, and the actual fight is when you actually go for your GE and PI and all that case study and all that stuff. So again, there you have around about 30% attached to your personal interview. But yeah, if you look at these numbers, they're like close by. Now, as far as the level of difficulty is concerned, if the paper is easy, straightforward plus 5 marks in everything will give you an idea about what should be your cutoff close by. So around about 73, 74. So if I do 67 plus 5 or 6 marks, you will be able to get a call from SIBM Pune for sure, and so on and so forth. So as you go down the line, if the paper is easy, add 5 to 6 marks, and that should be a ballpark number to kind of have an understanding that wherein Symbiosis will be giving you, or rather which Symbiosis college can give you a call from. So there are a lot of people, they have doubts, should I be filling up this form or should I not be filling up this form? But I think if you look at a good bracket, right, roundabout, even if you get into SIBM Hyderabad, which is like 60 percentile plus, so I don't think there is a problem to score roundabout at least 80 bare minimum percentile as far as SNAP is concerned, which is nothing but roundabout a score of say 40. So I think that's a good number to kind of get a score in SNAP, which is manageable for everybody. And if you are in that category, you can get calls from a lot of colleges. So 80 plus, you can have a good chances. So that's the reason, like, you can fill up the forms because it's a good opportunity for you to kind of make it to one of the Symbi college and have that Symbi brand on your resume. So anyway guys, so I've started with the colleges and the cutoffs now. Eventually I'll be talking about the strategies as far as SNAP strategy is concerned, the syllabus is concerned, how we should be going ahead with SNAP in the next 15 days and all that. And I'll be also talking about couple of colleges. Now I've made a couple of videos as far as SIBM Pune and all is concerned. I will be now making videos on say SIBM Hyderabad and SSBF. So tune into my channel for more update on SNAP exam. Thank you so much for your time.